Hello guys, today is the unboxing of all new Oppo F7. Oppo is my favorite brand in India and let's not waste our time and unbox the all new Oppo F7 guys right now. Yeah guys, this is the Oppo box. They have mentioned on the both sides Oppo, and on the front they have mentioned Oppo. I'm opening the box. Near the handset itself. For a while I'll keep the handset aside guys to check what all they have given inside the box. In-ear style headphones, sounds good, and a fast charger guys, which is type A to type C guys. It's gonna be so fast. Joking. And wait a second. Oh, the SIM ejector tool and paperwork is stuck inside guys. 1 second. I'm trying to take it. Yeah, they have also bundled a silicone case, some paperwork, and a SIM ejector tool. And inside the in-ear style headphone box, they have also given a type C connector. And to say frankly guys, the Oppo F7 looks gorgeous with its glass back and dual camera module and its glossy finish, but it's gonna be fingerprint magnet guys, and the fingerprint sensor is placed right, and the dual camera LED flash, and guess what, notch like iPhone 10. Didn't you expect it? It's gonna be new to Oppo, and its 19:9 aspect ratio is crisp, vivid, and immersive guys. The notch is gonna be like iPhone 10, and I'll check some. I want to change the language to English. Yeah, I'll change it later, but it's asking password. Yeah, blah blah. Okay guys, initial impressions, the phone is good and the fingerprint scanner is responsive. See guys, I'm yeah, and it's gesture based guys. Like iPhone 10, this phone has gesture based and also physical home buttons guys. You can set it. I'm struggling with the language. It also have physical button guys, and it's running on ColorOS version 5.0, Android 8.10, no Oreo, and a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So I'm gonna check the benchmark guys. I think benchmarks would be impressive in this phone because of the Snapdragon processor, but guys, I'm not confirmed that Snapdragon or Helio. We may soon know which processor is gonna be part of this Oppo F7, and gaming experience is gonna be immersive with this 6 GB of RAM guys. So I'll do a gaming review soon, and what all it has. Okay, the Geekbench scores are fair good, and the camera, Oppo is gonna concentrate on camera with its live focus, portrait lighting, and blah blah blah, but Oppo is mainly concentrating on selfie camera, which is good for selfie stars. Kidding guys, but this is gonna be my favorite phone from Oppo in 2018, and subscribe to my channel because it's free. Bye.